Supermodel Paulina Porizkova's raw confession at 60. In a world obsessed with filters and perfection, what does a supermodel really look like at 60? Paulina Porizkova just showed the world, and the internet can't stop talking about her incredible honesty. Welcome to FameFlash. Today, we're diving into the viral video where an icon stripped back the glamour to show her real scars and made a hilarious confession about her underwear. Let's get into it. Paulina Porizkova recently celebrated her milestone 60th birthday. To mark this new chapter, she posted a very candid getting dressed video on Instagram. Instead of hiding imperfections, the former supermodel proudly pointed out the scars on her hips. These aren't from a cosmetic procedure, they are real battle scars from her double hip replacement surgeries. It was a powerful move, showing her millions of followers that even supermodels deal with aging bodies and major surgeries. Her message was clear: this is what 60 actually looks like, unfiltered. But the most relatable moment came next. As she was getting ready, Paulina jokingly confessed that the comfortable underwear she was wearing was, quote, 4 years old. Fans immediately flooded the comments, praising her down-to-earth nature. It's refreshing to see a global fashion icon admit that sometimes comfort wins over style, even if it means wearing old undies. Paulina continues to be a champion for the pro-aging movement, proving that beauty isn't about looking 20 forever, it's about owning your story, scars, and all. What do you think of Paulina's unfiltered approach to aging? Do you find it refreshing? Let us know in the comments below. If you love real celebrity news, hit that like button and subscribe to FameFlash. Thanks for watching!